Hey, what's going on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, anywhere that you're watching this right now. It's Bert Ferguson, Realtor, coming to you guys from the Rush Home team of Compass, coming to you guys with a quick CR School District market update. So I've been coming to you guys with different information, things that I go through in my career, things that I've seen in the real estate business, other market tips and things that you can do to update your home, investments, so all things that have to do with real estate, right? I come to you guys, you can watch my videos and get a little bit of everything about real estate. Well, today I'm going to talk a little bit about the CR School District housing market. Now, I'm choosing CR School District specifically because I get a lot of out-of-towners who request the CR School District. So if you're watching this and you're in our area or you're even out of state, this is going to give you a very good breakdown of what's happening in our market and what's happened in the last year in the CR School District, okay? So what we're going to go over first is the September numbers for CR School District housing market. So as we go into those numbers, right now, the average sale price is $374,000. So if you are looking for a home, the average home in the CR School District, that's probably going to be a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath home, anywhere from 1,700 to 2,200 square feet. That's what that sold for. That was what the sales price, the average sale price for that was back in September of 2024. Now, in September of 2023, that number was $353,778 exactly. So we've seen an increase in pricing for the average sale price. Now, the amount of homes on the market has gone down. Right now we have 70, or in September of 2024, there were 69 homes on the market for the CR School District. In 2023 September, it was 72 homes versus 69 homes. So we've seen a slight decrease in the amount of options, but the details are in the story. That's because we have a little bit less inventory due to still the lag time in the interest rates. Those interest rates really put a halt on a lot of things because they rose at the end of last year. And now, as we know, Q3, we just had our first 50-point basis rate cut for the banks, and that was kind of already baked into mortgage numbers. So, when those rates rose, they really kind of put everything at a halt. 69 homes that went onto the market in September, as 72 went onto the market in September of 23. So let me rephrase that. 69 homes went on the market in the month of September this year, while in the month of September of 2023, 72 came onto the market. So that's just the amount of homes that came onto the market. Now, the homes for sale are 126 this year versus 112. Now, that's going to make a little bit more sense. 126 homes are on the market still right now, and that's, again, that baked in interest rate versus 112 last year where it didn't quite hit that much just yet, right? Right now, the closed amount of homes are 43 for September and 36 for September of last year. So we do have a slight difference there. And last year we had a 1.8 month accumulation. So basically 1.8 months. If we got no new homes, 1.8 months or a month and some change, almost 2 months, there'd be no more homes on the market. And that's very close to what we have for September of 23, 2.1. That's our current accumulation. If we don't get any more homes on the market for 2.1 months, all the homes are gone, okay? And right now we have 47 pending homes as far as the end of September was concerned of 2024 to 27 homes that were pending at the end of 2023, okay? So as we can see a couple of different things based on these numbers, we've got an increase in sales price. We've got a little less homes coming onto the market, but we've got more homes sitting. And that may have to do with that increase, that sharp increase in sales price. I think that right now sellers know they can still be it's still a seller's market. If the home is priced correctly and the buyers are coming from an area where they see the value in buying a home at that price, they're gonna get it. But it's a very delicate line. If that home is not priced correctly or have all the amenities that buyers are really interested in, then the home's gonna sit. So that's what we're kind of seeing right now. And I wanted, and at least in the CR school district. So if you know anybody who's looking to purchase a home in Magnolia, Camden, Wyoming, any of that general area where they're going to feed into the CR school district, give them these numbers. All right, guys, it's Bert Ferguson with the Rush Home team of Compass. Those are some of your September numbers. So that will be last month. If you're watching this in October, that was last month. This is filmed in October. That's going to give you a breakdown of everything you need to know. Right now, $374,000. That's going to be your median sales price or your average sales price. All right, guys, talk soon. Bye.